know when you get that thought, that teeny tiny whisper in your head where it convinces you to get a new phone even though you kind of shouldn't buy one, but you totally feel like you deserve one, and you think, oh my god, I'll take like amazing photos with it and it's gonna be so cute, and the vibes, I can get a new case and I'm gonna be looking so put together. Yeah, well, those thoughts won, so I bought myself a new phone. And of course, because my taste is absolutely impeccable, I chose to get the gold 256 gigs iPhone 14 Pro. It took so long to find one available. Of course, I'm late to every trend in life, so I didn't even consider getting the phone until well after they sold out in Australia. So I had to hunt one down. I'm pretty lucky I've got a friend that works at JB Hi-Fi, so he managed to track one down. It was the last one in Australia. And I got it. It all arrived on the same day, and I was like, vibes. It's arrived. The thing I've been waiting for like 2 months? I don't know. It's been a while. No, but for real, take my money. This is beautiful. Now, I don't know how obvious this is, but I'm kind of obsessed with the color green right now. I just want to be vibes, and green right now is vibes. So I got a green case, I got a green sweater, I got a green dress, and my friend got me a green flower pillow for my birthday, and it's really comfy and I love it so much. Look at it. In order to not squander this expensive content opportunity, I'm making a YouTube video. So pull up a chair and enjoy the amateur unboxing video. Should be good. You can't tell me this is not vibes. Let those intrusive thoughts win, because you could have vibes. I'm not trying to say, it's a privilege, it is, but if you're able to and you want it, get it. It's so worth it. Vibes. It makes you happy for like a whole week until it's just your phone. You just use it like it's a phone. You know, it's just, but vibes, you know? Jokes aside, I did want to show you how I achieved this super aesthetic kind of thing that's happening on my phone, you know, for the vibes. So basically I use three things: Pinterest, shortcuts, and color widgets. If you go ahead and open up Pinterest, you'll be able to create a board of any photos you like. I looked up the keywords green aesthetic, chibi, app widgets, anything like that. So go ahead and download the images that you'd prefer to use. You can open up the shortcuts app, go ahead and create a action, and it will be open app. Then select app, choose the app of your preference. So many words. Choose the app of your preference. For this example, I believe I use PayPal, and then before you press done, select the arrow pointing down at the title and choose add to home screen. So then you can go ahead and choose the cover photo and reselect the title or retype the title, and after all of that, then you can press done, and that will create a shortcut from an aesthetic cover to the app itself. I'm not going to click on it. I realize PayPal is not a great idea, or not a great example, since I don't want to show you my bank details. You don't need to know how much is in my account or how little. On to the next one. It's kind of similar concept. We're gonna go ahead and open up Pinterest and download the image you prefer. This will be for the color widget. So these are little photos that you see kind of floating around the screen. They don't do anything. They're literally just there for the aesthetics. Anyways, open up the color widgets app. Go ahead and slide to the right and add a widget. There you can customize it, so you can change the background to any photo you'd prefer. So I'm just putting in the one that I downloaded from Pinterest, and then you can go ahead and change the widget. So I'd usually just make it photo or blank, but you can add text. You know, you can add numbers, you can add dates, weather, whatever. Depends if you want to pay for it or not. I don't, so I just use the blank ones. And then once you're on your home screen, you long press the screen, you add the color widget from the top left corner with the plus, and then from there select color widgets, and then you can select the size of the one that you'll be inputting. I usually do the little square one, but you can do any size that you'd prefer. Click the square once it's inserted, and then you can select which widget you want to put in. So you can have a selection of photos and things, but I chose the one that I last put in. So that is how you make your phone look vibey. That's all from me. See you in the next video.